but nobody really explains what it is all about. I thought, why not? It can be used as a top, it can be used as a dress, it can be used as a formal dress, even a casual one. Hi guys, this is Mansi Ludhwani. I hope you all are doing great. तो आई एम बैक अगेन विद अ ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो जिसमें हम बात करेंगे 3x3 फैशन रूल के बारे में. आई नो आप लोग ने इस रूल के बारे में अब तक बहुत बार सुना होगा, बट नोबडी रियली एक्सप्लेन्स व्हाट इट इज ऑल अबाउट. सो या, लेट्स डिग इनटू इट. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कि ये 3x3 फैशन रूल होता क्या है. तो ये एक कॉन्सेप्ट है जिसमें कि आपको 3 टॉप्स चूज करने हैं, 3 बॉटम्स चूज करने हैं, एंड देन यू हैव टू मिक्स एंड मैच एवरीथिंग सो दैट यू कुड क्रिएट as many outfits as possible for yourself. Basically, it helps you in creating capsule wardrobe for yourself without spending much. अब बात करते हैं कि आप किस तरह से डिसाइड करोगे कि क्या टॉप या क्या बॉटम आपको आपके लिए चूज करना है. Firstly, create a mood board for yourself. That is, start collecting pictures through any of the site you are comfortable with. किस तरह के पिक्चर्स के साथ आप कनेक्ट हो पा रहे हो, and then based on it, create a color palette for yourself. Like in my case, this was my mood board. All the pictures I have collected is through Pinterest, and these were my color inspiration. That is shades of blue along with white, grey and beige. अब बात करते हैं कि क्या टॉप और बॉटम मैंने अपने लिए चूज किया है. फर्स्टली आई हैव चूजन दिस blue tank top which has got noodle strap, and the reason behind choosing this is it can be used as it is, और इसको मैं बाकी पीसेस के साथ बहुत easily mix and match कर सकती हूँ. I can use it as a base or even as a top. So yeah, this was my first pick. Now my next pick is this white colored tank top. It's a very cute kind of top जिसको मैं एज अ बेस ऑब्वियसली यूज कर सकती हूँ एंड इवन एज अ टॉप. बात करते हैं मेरे तीसरे टॉप के बारे में, तो मैंने चूज किया अपने लिए ये डेनिम शर्ट विच आई थिंक इज वेरी एप्ट. अगर मैं इसको ऐसे पहनती हूँ एंड इवन मैं इसको एज अ लेयर भी यूज कर सकती हूँ. तो या, दैट्स ऑल अबाउट माई 3 टॉप्स. अब बात करते हैं बॉटम वेयर के बारे में. तो जो मेरा पहला पिक था दैट इज दिस बेज कलर्ड हाई वेस्टेड स्कॉट्स. Now the reason being, since I am creating a capsule wardrobe for myself, so I have to be prepared for each and every occasion. अगर मुझे किसी vacation के लिए जाना है और I have to go for a girls day out or maybe a movie date, I wanted to keep things interesting, so I thought of going with this one. Now let's talk about the second bottom wear. So I chose this white colored high waisted white leg jeans. Now the reason being, ये बहुत easily mix and match हो सकता है मेरे बाकी सारे tops के साथ. It is also apt for so many occasions out there. So that was all about white jeans. Now let's talk about the twist. As I stated in the very beginning that it is a 3x3 fashion rule. That is, you have to choose 3 tops along with 3 bottoms. But मैंने क्या किया है कि मैंने टॉप तो 3 चूज किए हैं, बट बॉटम मैंने 2 ही चूज किए हैं. Along with that, I thought of going with a dress in order to keep things interesting and entertaining at the same time. And also I wanted to explore some different kind of options for myself. So I thought, why not? That's why I thought of going with this shirt dress which has got striped print. A layer में भी use हो सकता है. It can be used as a top, it can be used as a dress, it can be used as a formal dress, even a casual one. मतलब it can be used in so many ways. So yeah, now you understand that's the reason behind choosing it. So that was all about whatever I have picked for my capsule wardrobe, and I can't wait to share what all outfits I have created. So yeah, let me share it with you all. So that was all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, और अगर अच्छा लगा तो please like, comment, share and subscribe करना मत भूलना. Please push the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. Till then, you take care of yourself. We will meet in the next one. Bye bye.